Today we're gonna make a Korean Chijimi. It's a pancake.
Sounds good.
Okay. 1.5 cup of flour. 1.5 cup of water. And then we mix it. And then put 1 egg. Oops. Okay. And one egg. Okay. And then 1 whole potato. We shake it. Start with me.
Oh.
Okay, drain the water. Okay. And then put it inside. Mix it and then mix it.
I suppose you could do this in a food processor, but it might not be as fine as you need it for this.
Yeah. Okay. And 1 cup kimchi.
Cup kimchi, okay. Can be any brand. We happen today be using this one.
This is any grocery store.
Yep. Oh, it smells so good. Okay.
1 cup of chives. I freeze the chives.
Chopped chives.
Yeah.
Frozen and available for use anytime. Not parboiled, though, just frozen.
Okay. Carrot freeze.
Another tip from Kiyoko's kitchen. Okay. Mix all these ingredients.
Okay.
You leave out any one of them, and it won't taste the same.
Onion chive okay too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
1 clove garlic shaved. Okay.
This is gonna be sauce. And we're gonna put the Ponzu.
Okay.
About 1/2 cup. Okay, 1/2 cup.
Okay.
Just put them in.
Now you cook them a lot like you cook pancakes.
Yeah.
You put any oil in the skillet?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Don't need the oil yet. That sauce we just made, that's one of the secrets to why this whole dish tastes so good. Almost like you're trying to make an omelet at this point.
And put the oil way around the...
Sesame oil.
Yeah. Okay.
Another ingredient that makes it taste so darn good. Let the oil get underneath.
Yeah.
That's our oven fan, if you wonder what that noise is. We're not in a jet about to take off.
Okay. Just cook like a pancake.
About how long before you turn it over?
Make it get brown.
Oh, okay.
About 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Okay.
And they turn over and they cook about 3 minutes to get brown and down. After that, take up one time, this
Okay.
right down with that
Yeah.
sesame oil. Okay?
Sometimes you go around the edge with your spatula and raise it so the oil gets underneath. And then when it's cooked long enough, roughly 3 minutes, then you're gonna flip it over. And here's the,
Not yet.
not yet.
You can see the really brown.
You're waiting for the bottom to get nice and brown. Still wiggling it around. How's it look underneath?
It start to get brown.
Yep.
Okay? I think the time use the spatula.
Couple of spatulas, flip it over.
Don't flip in the front. Flip in the back.
You'll burn yourself.
Oh, I hope you don't break it.
Looks like it's going to. She did it, folks. Another one of those things that I'm not going to try.
Okay.
As you can see, it's nice and brown.
You can smash it.
Okay. Put a little more oil so it can get underneath the bottom after you've flipped it again. Well, only the one time you flipped it. Put it in, cook it on one side, wait till it gets brown, then flip it one time only. Okay, you wait until it gets brown underneath, and it has? Done! Take it to the cutting board. We had to get a larger cutting board out.
Yeah.
Flipped it once, and there it is.
And
Now you're going to cut it into squares. You can also use a pizza cutter, one of those roller wheels, but sometimes that doesn't work as well as this does. They don't have to be perfect squares because they're going in your stomach anyway. But boy, that smells good. Can you smell it?
no.
I guess it's hard to smell on the internet. That feature's coming next year.
Yeah.
Look what we have for you.
That's a lunch. And mix that sauce.
Remember the sauce we made with Ponzu and a little bit of
Garlic.
shaved garlic? 1 clove of shaved garlic.
Okay, open your mouth.
You eat it. You eat it.
Hot, but good.
Now I'm afraid I have to put the camera down and I'm gonna eat some. That's it. Please subscribe. Make sure you watch our next videos. This is Kiyoko's Kitchen. Bye and thank you all.